For years, the Mac Mini lived in the shadows of Apple's desktop lineup, a reliable, budget-friendly box designed for casual users, home servers, and office setups. But when Apple completely redesigned the machine into a tiny, palm-sized 5x5-inch powerhouse, everything changed overnight. Content creators, software developers, and video editors suddenly realized that a desktop small enough to slide into a backpack could comfortably crush workloads that used to require a massive $3,000 tower. But if you think Apple reached the peak of compact desktop computing with that redesign, think again. Behind closed doors at Apple Park, a massive shift is underway. Internal code leaks, supply chain traces, and confidential insider reports confirm that Apple is preparing the next giant evolutionary leap for its smallest computer, the M5 Mac Mini. To understand why tech analysts and power users are obsessing over the upcoming M5 Mac Mini, you have to look at what Apple is doing with its next-generation silicon architecture. While the previous generation proved that tiny form factors could deliver incredible efficiency, the M5 series is built from the ground up to solve the single biggest challenge facing modern computing: local artificial intelligence processing. Cloud-based AI is fast, but it relies on external servers, expensive subscriptions, and constant internet connections. Apple's ambition for the M5 generation is to bring raw, enterprise-grade AI execution directly onto your desk, completely offline, with zero latency. Supply chain reports reveal that the M5 chip utilizes an enhanced 3nm architectural process with advanced chiplet packaging. This allows Apple to dramatically expand the neural engine's core density without generating dangerous thermal buildup inside a 5-inch chassis. For creators and developers, this means local large language models, real-time 40K AI video upscaling, instant voice isolation, and automated code generation will run completely seamlessly in the background. Instead of waiting on cloud processing, the M5 Mac Mini is being engineered as an independent AI workstation disguised as an everyday desktop. Performance gains go far beyond synthetic benchmarks. Industry insiders point out that Apple is aggressively upgrading the graphics architecture in the M5 generation. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, enhanced mesh shading, and dynamic caching, the graphics processing unit inside the M5 chip is targeted to deliver up to 30% higher graphical throughput compared to its predecessor. Gamers and 3D animators who historically avoided compact Macs are looking at a system capable of handling demanding modern game titles and complex ray-traced renders without thermal throttling or loud fan noise. However, the hardware narrative surrounding the M5 Mac Mini takes an unexpected turn when you analyze global supply chain data. High-end configurations of compact Macs have seen widespread inventory fluctuations across major retail channels. Behind the scenes, global memory shortages and skyrocketing demand for specialized high-bandwidth RAM have created a strategic bottleneck. Apple relies on unified memory architecture, where the CPU, GPU, and neural engine share a single high-speed memory pool. Because local AI workloads consume massive amounts of RAM, Apple is reportedly adjusting its baseline storage and memory standards for the upcoming lineup. Insiders suggest that Apple will maintain 16 GB of fast unified memory as the bare minimum standard for base models, while pushing higher-tier M5 Pro variants to start at 24 GB or higher. Standard storage is also expected to receive a long-overdue upgrade, moving baseline configurations to 512 GB of high-speed solid-state storage. This eliminates one of the biggest complaints from budget-conscious buyers who were previously forced to pay steep upgrade fees just to get usable internal storage for professional media applications. When it comes to connectivity, the M5 Mac Mini is set to set a new benchmark for desktop versatility. Building on the refined port layout, the system will retain convenient front-facing USB-C ports alongside high-speed rear connectivity. The standard M5 model will feature Thunderbolt 4 capabilities, while the top-tier M5 Pro configuration brings Thunderbolt 5 support. Thunderbolt 5 delivers incredible bandwidth up to 120 gigabits per second, allowing power users to drive multiple high-resolution 6K or 8K displays simultaneously while running ultra-fast external drive arrays at native internal speeds. Wireless standards are also getting a massive overhaul, with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 integration guaranteeing low-latency peripheral performance and blazingly fast local network transfers. One of the most debated aspects among tech analysts is pricing and market positioning. For nearly 2 decades, the Mac Mini held a legendary status as Apple's most accessible computer. But as component costs rise and Apple equips the machine with workstation-class hardware, the economic landscape is shifting. Analysts anticipate that while entry-level pricing will remain competitive, the price gap between the base model and high-end Pro configurations could widen. Yet, even with a potential price adjustment, the value proposition remains unmatched when compared to building a custom small form-factor Windows PC with equivalent power efficiency, silent cooling, and processing power. The timeline for the official reveal has been the subject of intense speculation across the tech community. Initial expectations pointed toward an early launch, but strategic hardware staggering and component availability shifted Apple's rollout roadmap. As Apple continues to update its laptop and professional desktop tiers with M5 architecture, the Mac Mini is positioned as a key piece of the ecosystem puzzle. Whether you are a video creator waiting to render 8K footage on a whisper-quiet desktop, a software developer building complex machine learning tools, or simply someone who appreciates engineering elegance, the M5 Mac Mini represents the absolute pinnacle of what modern computing can achieve in a tiny box. The wait is almost over, and when Apple officially pulls back the curtain, the desktop market will never be the same again.